Hello, my earthly soul family and soul friends. Welcome to this video. Hope you're well. So today I just want to share with you just what I'm getting up to down here. I'm just sharing with you how I love to energize and reconnect my food, my fruit that comes from nature, and reconnect it and reunite it back to nature. So I'm just like putting my lovely mandarins and lovely grapes back out into the air of the back garden, and the yeah, back on the ground and in the sun. I love to like re-energize, put it back in the sun again. So yeah, I'm just like sunbathing naked in the back garden, as humans are born and we live naked underneath the clothes and we die naked. Like, what on earth is the whole idea about nudity? Like, society has enormously programmed and indoctrinated us to think there's something unusual, the nakedness, and there's nothing more natural than nakedness. Like, everything alive is naked. Everything. Look at it, right there in front of you. Everything is naked. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to say about that. That's a different video. But yeah, it just feels very good to just reconnect my food and fruit back out into the elements of nature, the air, the sun, and the earth. I'm not after the rain, it's okay, but I wouldn't mind too much, you know. If it was raining, it just leaves me here. Gives me a little bit of a wash. And it feels really good to touch Mother Earth with my feet, and just the fruit touched Mother Earth. And maybe I'll take them off the cardboard thing and just put them on the ground, eh? Why not do the full amount? But I know there's just holes there, so it wasn't full disconnection. Arnold Ehret would also say, like, air bathing, as in getting your as much as your body uncovered by the clothes is good. And for me, in society, I do that by just wearing a small pair of shorts, and I just often go barefoot. Like, nearly always go barefoot, unless like maybe freezing cold. But all this summer, I've been in loads and loads and loads of barefoot, and reconnecting, touching the air and the sun and the ground with my body. See, there's much more to life and physical health than just food. There's also not food, as in resting the body and keeping things simple and natural. There's also reconnecting with the elements of nature, which feed us. Like, the sun is enormous electromagnetic battery charger. It really fills us up with a lot of energy. I'd highly recommend sunbathing as much to your body's ability currently. So, yeah. Here's some orgonite. Orgonite is really good against 5G. It's one of the best things we could do to protect ourselves from 5G, Wi-Fi, internet routers, mobile phone transmission towers, and just, these are called tower posters, or TBs. You just put them at the bottom of a tower, but you can also put them at your router in your home, or just at the corners of your home or your gardens to protect you. And you can even wear some on your person if you really feel like it too. So these things are also used by healers, and they help transform negative energy into positive energy. So it's good for our emotions too. So very powerful stuff, everybody, made with crystals and metal chips. Yeah. Alright, everyone, just a little message today. Hope you have a lovely day and lots of love. And I'll hear from you again another time. And check out my description below to befriend me, to connect more, to see my playlists, suggestions, my website, my coaching books and herb store, and just to find out more or learn a little bit more, like suggested things from me as well. So take care, lots of love, have a fantastic day, my friends. Thanks for watching. Stay well.